Welcome to Siri Stock Market World. Today, we'll guide you through the process of trading options on the Angel Broking mobile app, providing both an introduction and a practical demonstration. Follow these step-by-step instructions to make your options trading experience seamless. Step 1. Log in to Angel Broking mobile app. Open the Angel Broking mobile app and log in. Step 2. Search for Nifty or Bank Nifty. Once logged in, locate the search option. Search for Nifty or Bank Nifty and enter the premium price for the option you wish to trade. Step 3. Choose option type, CE or Pay. After searching, you'll see two types, CE, call option, and Pay, put option. Select the option type you want to trade. Optionally, tap the star symbol to add it to your watch list for easy access. Step 4. Select Buy or Sell. Now, you'll see two options, Buy and Sell. Choose Buy if you want to buy the option or Sell if you want to sell. Step 5. Choose Intraday or Carry Forward. Next, you'll encounter two options, Carry Forward and Intraday. Select Intraday if you plan to buy and sell on the same day. Choose Carry Forward if you intend to hold the position. Step 6. Enter number of lots. Specify the quantity or number of lots you wish to trade. Step 7. Choose limit or market. Decide between limit and market orders. Limit allows you to set a specific price, while market executes at the current market price. Step 8. Tap on Buy. Confirm your selections and tap on Buy. Step 9. Edit order or confirm. After tapping Buy, you'll see two options, Edit Order or Confirm. Use Edit Order to make changes or select Confirm to proceed. Step 10. Monitor order execution. Your order is now placed and will remain pending until the market reaches your specified price. Once executed, it will appear in the Positions section. Step 11. Setting Stop Loss. To set a stop loss, go to the watchlist or positions and select the relevant script. Tap on Smart Orders and enable Stop Loss Order. Enter the target trigger price and limit price for your stop loss. Step 12. Confirm Stop Loss Order. Tap Sell to confirm the stop loss order. Verify the details and select Confirm. The stop loss order will be visible in the Open Orders section until triggered. Step 13. Booking profit or closing position. If you want to book a profit, cancel the stop loss order. To close the position, go to Positions and select Square Off. This concludes the simple process of trading options on the Angel Broking platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe.